The last thing I want to show you is using a template on the Facebook. I'm going to put this in our group, and we're going to be doing the same thing on YouTube. This just kind of helps because they set the dimensions in case someone is watching on a television, a computer, mobile. And so you want to really make sure you understand where things are going to fall when you get them into your Facebook or YouTube. And this is for the banner. All right, so you're just going to need to upload it. Okay, once you get your design set, use the templates, or create one your own, and you think that you're pretty good with how you want it to look, then the last thing you need to do is to upload this image and place it on top. So what you want to do is use your left mouse button to move it over and stretch it out so that it fits the same dimensions. Okay, and this is going to tell you what different things they're going to see. So the mobile is going to go from this blue area right in here. Okay, and then a computer is going to be this lighter blue area on the outside. So what you want to do is you want to put this, make sure it's covering the whole template, and then you click on position up at the top and move it to the back. And what happens is this is going to show you if your design is going to fit within the parameters that you want. So see, I need to move it over just a little bit so that this part is not cut off. So this is just an example. This is actually one of the templates that I use for the banner contest in my Everyday Craft Dreamers. And so this is kind of how I tell when I have it set and I can go ahead and upload it. So once I use this to figure out if I have everything in place, I'm going to click on it and make sure that it's highlighted. So remember, you're looking for that blue border, you're looking for those little white dots, and then I can just delete it out. And then my Canva banner is ready, and I can go ahead and download it and put it into Facebook. So this really saves you a ton of time of having to keep moving things around and get it centered. So just download this little template and make sure you are using it when you are doing your designs for Facebook.